Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: a Face ID-capable device, current OS, and an active Apple ID. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Face ID and passcode. Authenticate with your passcode. Make sure App Store is toggled under Use Face ID for. Next, return to Settings, tap your name and verify payment and shipping details so purchases complete smoothly. These first actions prepare your device to use face recognition for App Store sign-ins and purchases without extra. Now configure the App Store flow by initiating a download or purchase to trigger Face ID. When the prompt appears, position your face and follow the brief scan instructions. The system explains what to do. If recognition fails, use Settings Face ID and passcode to enable Require Attention or set an alternate appearance for hats or glasses. Make sure you allow Face ID for iTunes and App Store so future downloads authenticate automatically, reducing friction while keeping security intact. Finish by testing with a small download or purchase to confirm that Face ID authorizes the App Store action. If it fails, don't panic. Go to Settings, reset Face ID, and re-enroll. This often fixes recognition drift. Also check practical details. Clean the true depth camera, ensure even lighting, and remove anything covering your face or the phone's sensor. If problems persist, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in. Then retry the enrollment to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.